Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or security advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Crypto investments carry risks, including loss of capital.
All right, everyone, buckle up because XRP is on fire right now.
Yeah, you could see it.
They're talking ETFs, presidential shout-outs, and whale activity that is shaking things up big time.
Absolutely. And we're going to break down all of it for you today.
We're diving deep into all the latest news to figure out what's going on with XRP and what it means for all of us.
Definitely a lot to unpack.
So let's jump right in because we've got a lot to cover.
Let's do it.
First up, the SEC is actually acknowledging applications for XRP ETFs.
Yeah, that's huge, right?
People are predicting up to like $8 billion could flow in if these ETFs get approved.
Oh, yeah, that's a game changer.
That is a massive number.
It is.
So for anyone who might not be totally familiar with ETFs,
Right.
Can you just give like the quick rundown of what an ETF is and why this is such a massive deal for XRP?
Yeah, so basically an ETF is a way to invest in a basket of assets.
Okay.
Kind of like a mutual fund, but it trades on an exchange just like a stock.
Gotcha.
And that makes it super easy for regular people to invest.
So it opens it up to a lot more people.
Exactly.
Interesting.
So if these XRP ETFs actually get approved, it could expose XRP to a whole new wave of investors, and that could really drive up demand and, of course, the price.
So this could be XRP's...
Ticket to the big leagues.
Yeah, exactly, to the big leagues.
Yeah.
But then we also had this wild card.
Oh, yeah.
Donald Trump decides to share an article all about Ripple on TruthSocial.
Interesting.
What do you make of that? Could this be a sign that, like, the whole U.S. political scene is changing its tune on crypto?
Well, Trump has always been pretty vocal about liking crypto.
He has.
And even an indirect endorsement like this could definitely influence some investors.
For sure.
But it's tough to say what it means for actual policies, you know?
Right.
I mean, remember, the U.S. still needs clear regulations before crypto can really go mainstream.
Yeah, that's true.
It doesn't really matter what individual politicians think until those rules are in place.
Okay, so that's the political side of things.
Yeah.
But what about these whales we keep hearing about?
The way.
$400 million worth of XRP has been scooped up in just the past 48 hours.
Yeah, that's a lot of XRP.
It is.
That's a big splash.
It is. Why is this particular whale activity so important?
Well, whale watching is always interesting because it can give us clues about where the market might be heading.
Right.
And these big buys happening at the same time as the ETF news and Trump's post.
Right.
It definitely feels like a strategic move, you know?
Yeah.
These whales might be getting in position before the price potentially explodes.
Oh, wow.
But it could also be a short-term play.
Okay.
We'll have to watch what they do over the next few weeks to really understand what's going on.
So we got to keep our eyes on those whales.
Always.
All right. And then on top of all of this, Brazil just went and approved the world's first spot XRP ETF.
That's right. The first one.
Wow.
Brazil's leading the charge.
Yeah. So can you break down what's so special about a spot ETF compared to other types and why this is such a big deal globally?
Sure. A spot ETF tracks the actual real-time price of XRP. That's different from futures-based ETFs, which track contracts betting on the future price.
Got you.
So with a spot ETF, you're directly invested in the cryptocurrency itself.
Okay.
It's simpler and arguably less risky than playing with futures.
That makes sense.
And this move by Brazil, it really puts them on the map as a leader in crypto adoption.
Yeah.
It's a huge step towards making XRP legit, and other countries might start following their lead.
So this is like a big precedent.
It could be, yeah.
And speaking of adoption, even Frankenmuth Credit Union is letting their members manage XRP through their online banking.
I know, right? Even Frankenmuth Credit Union.
That is wild.
It's amazing.
It might seem like a small thing, but
But it's not.
it's not.
These smaller adoptions are just as important as the big ETF news.
I agree.
It all shows that crypto is becoming more and more accepted in everyday finance.
Right.
Imagine being able to manage your XRP right alongside your checking account.
Right.
That level of integration. That's a sign that crypto is really going mainstream.
It really feels like it's getting closer and closer.
It does.
Okay,
Yeah.
so with all this happening, what is the price of XRP at right now?
Right now, XRP is trading at 2.67.
Okay.
It's pushing against those key resistance levels.
Right.
We saw an intraday high of 2.68 and a low of 2.50.
Oh, wow. So it's been volatile.
Yeah, it's definitely been a roller coaster.
Okay. So much to think about here.
There is.
What are the most important things for someone to watch in the next few days and weeks to really figure out where XRP is going?
Well, the SEC's decision on those ETF applications is going to be huge.
Okay.
Keep an eye out for any other new regulations, too.
Gotcha.
And, of course, we have to keep watching those whales.
Those whales.
Are they still buying up XRP, or are they starting to cash out?
Yeah.
All those clues will help us see where things are headed.
It's definitely a crazy time in the crypto world.
It is.
XRP is at a turning point right now.
For sure.
All these different things happening at the same time, it's created so much potential, but also risk. So what do you think? Is this the beginning of a massive XRP bull run, or are we going to see a correction?
It's a good question.
It is a good question.
It's one worth thinking about for sure.
Yeah, and if anyone wants to dig even deeper into this stuff,
Right.
Coindesk and Investing Haven are great places to check out.
Absolutely. Those are great resources for all things crypto.
Yeah. All right, well, thank you so much for breaking all this down.
Of course. Happy to be here.
It's been really fascinating.
It has.
And to everyone listening, keep those eyes on XRP because things are definitely heating up.
They are.
And stay tuned because we'll be back soon with another deep dive into the latest crypto happenings.
Until next time.
See ya.
If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.